Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Aidevi nmn 18000. Now, if you guys haven't heard of nmn, I know it can be able to be a tongue twister. This is something very new, but it's been researched quite a bit in terms of longevity and different type of benefits for health. And in this video, I'm going to go over some of the benefits of nmn, and I'll go into some details of this product. So if you haven't already, please press the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's going to help out the channel, so it supports me on making more videos like this. So let's jump right into it. nmn is a precursor to NAD+, and what that is a compound found in every single cell in our bodies. So NAD+ acts as a coenzyme, and that compound is necessary for functioning of proteins called enzymes. So this is something very important. It's very important for also energy and metabolism, gene expression, and also regulation of the mitochondria functioning. So when people age, unfortunately, a lot of things decline, right? And there's a lot of decline also in NAD+. So folks that are aging, it'd probably be beneficial to have these type of supplements so you're not in a decline. Like I said, there's so many different benefits of NAD+. So you're talking about the performance levels, we're talking about general wellness, basically metabolism as well. And there's some research in terms of the telomeres that these also help in terms of that. Now, do you have to take a supplement? Not really. You can actually consume it from natural foods such as cabbage, broccoli, avocado, or beef. But for folks that maybe don't consume beef or don't like those type of vegetables, you can consume this. And basically, folks that want to be able to take this, they're usually taken in divided doses. So for example, a 300 milligram dose of nmn will be split between 2 doses. So while a 1000 milligram dose may be split between 4 doses, it's highly recommended to kind of consume it in that type of dosage. Now, there are supplements such as these. You can be able to read from the back of it right here. The amount, let me go right here in the back. You can see right here is 300 milligrams resveratrol, 100 milligrams fruit and vegetable powder. Looks like they put some additional items right here. But the main ingredients are the nmn and resveratrol. Resveratrol you can be able to get from basically red wine. So let me go ahead and show you guys how big the capsule is. So you can see right here, this is how big the capsule is of that item. You can see right here, these are the pills, and the container itself is a very nice container, by the way. Look at this. This is a very nice container. Is a glass. Oh, actually no, it's not glass. It's plastic on the outside, but it feels really nice to the touch in terms of that. Now, for folks that are wanting to take this, there hasn't been much study on side effects for this on the health, so there's still research being done on this, but there seems not to be too much side effects. But you want to make sure to speak to your doctor before taking any supplements, of course. They recommend for the suggested use of this product for 1 capsule before meals, or recommended by a healthcare professional. It is, from the looks of it, made in the USA by this specific company. Now, I don't know where the products or ingredients are coming from, but it looks like they are being shipped out here in the US. So with that said, I hope this is helpful, guys. If you guys have any certain questions, feel free to contact me below in the description. Happy to help out. If you guys have any questions, happy to help out as well. And answering them. Again, please press the like button and subscribe for more videos. Happy to answer your questions. So with that said, thanks for watching. Check you guys out on the next video.